Do you want to get rid of extra weight very fast? Then watch this video till end. Hi friends, welcome to our channel again. Friends, losing extra weight is our priority concern today over all health matters. Losing extra weight is the thing that people are mostly focused on. If extra pounds are keeping you on your toes, and even after spending hours in gym, and exercising for hours, you are not able to shed the extra weight and obesity, then, this special drink is definitely for you. You must have tried many weight loss drinks available in market, and many among us sometimes think about weight loss surgery. But this homemade vegetarian drink gives amazing results, and weight loss surgery is not at all a solution. You just need to prepare this special drink at home. You can make this drink very easily at home, as you can easily find all the ingredients in your kitchen only. Preparation time for this special drink is not much. There are no efforts, and it is very simple and easy to make this special quick weight loss drink. What you need is just 1 lemon and 1 cup of normal water, and a bunch of parsley or coriander leaves. Now chop the parsley or coriander leaves in a blender, and squeeze in the lemon in the blended juice of parsley. Now add some water in it. Again, blend the mixture into a juice. Add sufficient water to make up a full glass. Now your magic drink is ready. You can have it as it is, or you can filter it to avoid any pulp. You need to consume the drink continuously for 5 days in a row. Do not skip. If you do, start all over again. When you finish 5 days, do not start another course immediately. Wait until next 10 days. The preparation is simple and easy, and does not take more than 5 minutes. With this drink, you burn calories, break accumulated fat, and give your body the necessary boost of minerals and vitamins. This magic drink helps you improve your digestive system and helps in getting rid of extra pounds very fast. So friends, try this drink as a component of weight loss diet or weight loss program, and I hope you will get benefited yourself with this information. And, if you like this video, give us a like, share this video, and write your comments below, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to get latest updates from us. Thanks for watching this video.